Before we begin, to set the tone for the day, I'd like to invite someone who's played an instrumental role in the internationalization of the Indian education system. Our very own Pro-Chancellor, Dr. Vidya Yelvekar. Ma'am, may I please invite you to deliver the welcome address?
A very good morning to all of you, my dear students, faculty, and my dear alumni. His Excellency, Mr. Satish Sivan, the Consul General of India, here in Dubai. I dare you saying my elder sister, Dr. Kiran Bedi ji, the former governor of Puducherry, and a lady who all of us idolize with, and I personally do. Dr. Rajiv Yelvekar, the Provost of the Faculty of Medical and Health Sciences, Dr. Alida Vaitankar, the Executive Director of the Dubai campus, my younger sister Saina, and of course the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering who's come all the way from India, Dr. Ketan Bodechar, and for the sake of repetition, my dearest students and alumni. Ma'am, there have been alumni who've flown from India for this session, and I would like to specially make a mention of them. Mr. Amit Chinsolkar, Group HR Delhi Hinduja Group, will be this identified. Mr. Sanjay Navarhil, CEO Bharat Serums and Vaccines, and P.L. Shriniwas, who is the Vice President and Head of HR, KLB India Subcontinent. Apart from that, of course, others like Rajiv Singh, who's a partner with ENY, Sujit Nair, Head TA Wipro, Ranjit Jose, the CHRO of Sobha Realty, Ashutosh Sinha, Managing Partner and CPO, Zentive Talent Solutions, Amit Puri, CEO Bricks and Hoods, Mahadi Shafai, founder of Traffic Media. He may not be an alumnus, but he's a speaker. Samir Nagarajan, coach and consultant in human organization development. I hope I haven't missed out anybody. Manish Mishra, Group Head HR NO, and I can see many others too. So we're very happy that you, through the Indian government, has always supported the Symbiosis International University Dubai campus. As all of you saw in the film, and many of you were pass outs of Symbiosis, this institution, established in 1971 by Dr. Muzaffer, was established on an ethos of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, by which we have always consciously concentrated not just on expansion but excellence. So wherever we go, of course, it is always the MBA and law programs that we take. We will start the law program here soon, but we are conscious about the quality of education. And as mentioned in the film, we started off with a CA accreditation, which is a stamp for quality. The second differentiator of Symbiosis in India, which we want to continue the legacy here too, is a very strong industry connect. And I must say that the faculty here led by Dr. Alida Vaitankar have ensured this, that here too in this campus, we will have a very strong industry connect, and therefore we will be launching some of our MOUs that we are going to sign today, and also launch the Center for Professional Studies. As regards Dr. Kiran Bedi, first of all, let me thank her profusely because she's just returned from a trip to Singapore and Australia where she was speaking. In fact, I requested her to be here just to bless us because she's like a lucky charm to me and to Symbiosis. Whenever she blesses an institution or a campus of Symbiosis, it flourishes. And that is the reason why Kiran Didi, I wanted you here, not just to be a chief guest and address on a very important topic of the power of people, but more importantly, to bless this campus so that this campus flourishes the way the Indian campuses have. Kabir Khan, who will join us shortly. In fact, he's already here. We didn't expect him for the inaugural. He will be doing a session with us. Again, another eminent person. Along with it is our alumnus Vinik Thanda, who passed out of law in 2003 and a very close associate of Kabir Khan. So we have students who are doing so well, or other alumni who are doing so well. And I think the success of Symbiosis we owe to our wonderful alumni. And for all of you students from the Dubai campus, you all should idolize with these alumni. Interact with them more closely, make them your buddies and mentors, irrespective whether they are from Dubai or from India. But try and connect with at least about 5 to